This is a basic strategy to create your Payoneer account for the saving and sending out money. If you have a business online or a freelancer, you work online to receive payment online, or you need people to pay you money from various parts of the world, then Payoneer is your best payment gateway. All right, the best part of this platform is that it is accepted no matter where you're watching from. Okay, so you can as well create your account on this very platform, then receive payment and also send out payment. Okay, so on this platform you can simply get paid on the platform. You can pay people. You can also get Payoneer card, like your virtual card. Okay, you can withdraw and transfer money to your bank account, and also they can easily give you bank account, right? They can give you USD bank account, your Euro bank account, right? So in this very video, if you don't have Payoneer, I'm going to simply guide you the best strategy to create Payoneer account without losing your account or losing your funds. Okay, so I'm going to simply walk you through the step-by-step guide on how to do that. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is simply head over to another browser. You have to search for Payoneer. This is Payoneer here, and forget about this advertisement here. Just scroll down a little bit, come over to this section that says payoneer.com. all right, so on this video platform you can create your account from your mobile phone, you can create your account from your tablet or from your desktop. Okay, so that I'm using my desktop to record the video doesn't mean that you cannot do it with your mobile phone. Okay, if you want to register your account right now, you need to simply click on this register button. Then they're going to ask you to choose the right Payoneer account type for your business. Okay, so on this section, this is freelancer or SMB, this is for online sellers, this is for affiliate marketers, this is for vacation rental hosts, this is for individual. Okay, like my own account is an individual account where I don't need to provide a lot of information about clients I work with to get my account verified, because whatever I choose here determines what you're going to see on your account. Okay, and most of the verification processes are not really the same. Okay, you have to simply select either individual, but if you have your text, if you have all the details for this, then you have to simply select them, right? But with your individual, you can as well receive payment from your client, anybody. All right, so you have to simply select individual. Then you can simply tell them that you want to use this to get paid and make payment globally, add funds from your account, convert currencies and more. Okay, you can also tell them send and receive money between friends and family. You can also tell them you want to use this account to order a prepaid card. Okay, so whichever one you select, they're going to simply give you the same features. All right, then I'm going to simply select this one here. All right, so when you select the first option, you go ahead and click on the register button. So I'm going to simply fill out some of my details, but there are some I will not add here because I already have an account. To avoid getting my account detected that I have to, they're going to simply ask, is your business registered with any government, business licensing or tax authority? Just tell them no if your business is not registered, but if it is registered and you have all the proofs, tell them yes, because they're going to simply request for those proofs. Okay, so for instance, if your own is not registered, tell them no so that they will not bother you about that. Okay, then you have to simply add your first name here, and I'm going to simply add my email, date of birth. Make sure that you are above 18. Okay, anything you select here, make sure it is above 18. You can select 1950 or 1990 or 1880, anyone you choose, it doesn't really matter. Then when you're done with that, click on the next button. You have to make sure that whatever you select there is the real date. Okay, because the information you're going to simply send out to them, or your details or your ID you're going to send out, will be that exact date of birth. Make sure you use your exact date of birth for this. You have to select your country. Remember, this particular website is going to work for you no matter where you're watching from. Like if you're in any of these listed countries here, you have to simply select Nigeria, and you have to add your street number. Okay, so for instance, number. Okay, so if you add this, they've already brought out a lot of details automatically. Okay, so this is what I'm going to simply use for now. Select the country phone number, then add the number here. Okay, so if I click on this send code, they're going to send me a code on my mobile phone now. Let's wait for it. All right, so they've already sent the code. So the code is this 14, then add another 14, then 7979, then click on the next button. You can see this is the right code, and they're going to simply pop up the next section, which is the security details, and all of that. Okay, you have to add your password. You re-enter your password here, select a question. In case if you lose your password and you want to sign in, they're going to simply ask you this very question. Okay, and whatever question you select here, make sure you know it or write it down somewhere. Okay, that is your question, and the answer you give them here, they're going to simply ask for your ID details. But you have to add your either national ID, your driver's license, your passport to verify your account. Okay, then click on verify, or you tell them I will do it later. Okay, when you verify all your details, your account will be ready for you. And for you to start receiving payment or sending out money, you need to verify your account completely. So for you to do that, if you log into the account you've already created newly, then you come over to your dashboard here, come over to this very section, your account section here, click on it, and you're going to simply see settings, support center, and all of that. Click on this settings button. This is where you can simply verify your details. Okay, there's going to be a notification here telling you to verify so details. Okay, if you come to my history, just the history of this very account, they say I should verify my account with any government issued ID and all of that. Okay, I provided my document. That document up to now is still under review. So when I found out that they didn't approve it, then I provided my passport, my international passport that I use for traveling and all of that. Okay, then I provided it, then it was approved. That one was approved. If your account is not fully verified, you might be receiving payment but you cannot send it out. And on this section right here, you're going to simply see your bank account. Then if you click on this bank account section, okay, so if you come over to this section, you're going to see this is my own USD bank. This is GPay bank. The two of them are active. This is from UBA and this is from GPay. Okay, this one gets me money, this one also gets me money, right? So when you create your account, this is how your account is going to look like, and you're going to see all of these features and more. All right, this is how you can simply create your Payoneer account without stressing it. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to this very channel, and also join us on our Telegram channel for more updates. Okay, if you want to learn how to make your first $100 online, the video showing on your screen right now is going to help you to achieve that. See you in my next video.